Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our bread baking series by making an American recipe for cornbread. This is a family recipe, it's my brother's recipe, so let's get started.
Not too many ingredients today. We need 1/4 cup or 60 grams of butter, 1/4 cup or 50 grams of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 cup or 125 grams of flour, 1 cup or 225 milliliters of milk, 1 cup or 125 grams of cornmeal, 4 teaspoons baking powder, half a teaspoon salt. First, cream the butter. You can do this with a mixer or with a sturdy spoon. You just need to break up the butter enough to allow it to combine with other ingredients. Add sugar and cream it with the butter. Add eggs to the butter-sugar mixture. Add the flour, baking powder, and salt, and stir until smooth. Add the milk and stir until dissolved. Finally, add the cornmeal. If you're using an electric mixer, be sure not to overbeat. You only want to just combine all the ingredients. Pour the batter into a greased baking pan. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Cut the cornbread into pieces. I know this looks like cake, and with the sugar in the recipe you could think that it would taste like cake, but I assure you the flavor is actually quite neutral. It only has a lightly sweet aftertaste. This tastes amazing with honey butter on it. This cornbread is soft and holds its shape nicely. It's not bitter like some cornbread can be. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.